Hello everyone, I'm Sarah, and this is a really important video because I get asked so much about how to clear and protect your energy. How can I handle the mass amount of pressure, the fear, the suffering? How can I maintain my sovereignty as all of this is unfolding? And so, this is a short workshop that I gave a little while ago about clearing and protecting your energy with white light. So, enjoy. So we all know that we have energy fields, that we have auras, that we create these energetic fields around us, and we come in contact with other energy fields all through the day, be it the vibration of this coffee mug, to the vibration of the water that I'm ingesting, to the frequencies coming off of my computer, to other people around me. And these have all of the things that we come into relationship with. Our energy field has an impact on our field. If we are in flow and able to allow energy to move through us with great awareness, it is possible to be in the flow where energies that come through are easily let go of and only what is needed is retained. Now, this is much easier than said than done. You can't fake flow. It is a way of being. It is a mode of operating in the now moment. And truly, it comes through practice of being with oneself and feeling the energy move through you. So it's a challenge to be Zen, like moving through life, clean and clear, and letting go of all of the negativity that is not you. In our essence, we are innocent. We are pure love. We are seeking the light. We are here in search of how to find ourself as whole and unified, uh, in this lifetime. That's our essence, our most authentic nature. So it makes sense that one way that you can clear your energy field, that you can harmonize your own energy centers, you can harmonize your own energy, your own aura, is to be with yourself, is to be in your own light, is to illuminate with your own love. So let's try. I mean, essentially, this will clear everything out of your field. The longer you can hold yourself in your own love light that you are generating from your own heart, the more you will repair and regenerate not only your body, but your whole energy field. Essentially, it works from the outside in. So we would be regenerating your energetic field, which would then enable the body to regenerate itself. Long story short, let's just jump in and give it a try. So, I want you to find a comfortable seated position. If you have a glass of water, take a drink because water it is essential for moving energy through the body, for moving the energy through the body. And what are emotions and feelings but energy that want to be in motion through the body? Energy wants to be in motion, so give it a means of being carried through your body with some water. So we're gonna close down your eyes when you're ready, and I want you to take a nice deep breath in through your nose and let it out with a sigh from the mouth. Let's do that 2 more times. Just landing gently on your exhale, allowing your body to begin to feel heavy, releasing the breath to be at its own authentic pace. And taking your awareness to the bottom of your spine, to where your bottom is sitting on your chair. And from this place, from the very base of your spine, begins to grow golden roots. And they're growing down through the floor and down into the earth, where they begin to spread out around you, mingling with the most delicious fresh air and feeling the essence of freshness moving through the roots and through your whole body as you reconnect to earth. You might even feel like taking a couple of deep breaths in to help pull that energy up into your body. And just starting to feel the body relax as you allow it to become one with Mother Earth again. Allowing your body to energetically connect its roots to Mother Earth. I want you to take your awareness to your heart center, right in the middle of your chest. I want you to take palm over palm, the center of your chest, feeling this beating of your heart, allowing your breath to be full and rich, noticing the way the space of your breath amplifies the energy in your heart space. And naturally, you begin to feel the energy expanding in your chest as the light. And just noticing if the light of your heart has the hue of any other color but white today. No judgments, no opinions, just witnessing your own light emerging from the center of your heart. Allowing deep breaths to move the feeling of this light through your body. And this white light, this light from your heart, begins to fill and flood all of your physical body. From your fingertips to your toes, your head, your body, and your legs and your arms. Starting to allow this light to relax and release the body. Starting to feel the whole body illuminate. Witnessing now this light break through the barrier of your skin, starting to dissolve the barrier of your skin, the outline of your body, filling your auric field with this light from your heart. Slowly allowing the feeling of yourself dissolving into this orb of light around you. Your heart begins to fill this auric field full of this white diamond light and any other light that is coming forward for you today. Just allowing yourself to keep breathing and existing in the flooding of your own heart's light into your field. I will let you be present with yourself for another 2 minutes. Allowing that white light to permeate back through the skin as if you are breathing in and out of your skin this white light. It's dissolving the body into itself. And just allowing whatever is coming to move through you. Thoughts being let go, breath being full. And when you are ready, I want you to take 3 intentional deep breaths in and out. Setting the intention to integrate and hold that resonance as you move forward in your day. Allowing your body to calibrate to your awareness coming back into the room, back into your body, starting to feel the weight of your body on your chair, the beating of your heart behind your hands, allowing yourself to slowly flutter open your eyes when you are ready. Releasing your hands and allowing yourself to witness the world anew as your energy has been cleared and has begun to harmonize itself once again. Now, the longer you can hold yourself in your own love light, the more regeneration you will feel, the more healing you will bring to yourself. And it truly is just that easy. My visualization may not be for you, but now you understand what to do. Connect your body to the earth, open your heart to your own light, and then radiate it outward for yourself and allow yourself to dissolve into that star that's in the center of your chest. We trust that our word is good and our heart is pure. Thank you for being here for this lesson and practicing with me. I hope it is supportive on your journey. If you have questions about Infinity School, there is a link below. If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe, and onward, my love warriors. Peace and love.